The 2026 Mazda CX-30 is coming with shocking pros that are going to make you question everything you thought you knew about subcompact crossovers, but also fatal cons that could be absolute deal breakers for your daily reality. If you've been shopping in this segment and feel like every option forces you to choose between luxury or space, performance or comfort, the CX-30 is going to challenge those assumptions in ways that might surprise you, but also frustrate you. Strong points, weak points? This Mazda is loaded with both. Let's kick things off with the good stuff, the features that are going to make you reconsider everything you thought you knew about budget-friendly crossovers. Number 4. Upscale interior. You know that sinking feeling when you slide into a budget crossover and instantly realize you're surrounded by hard plastic surfaces, cheap fabrics, and panel gaps that make you question where your money actually went? Most subcompact buyers accept this reality, settling for interiors that look cheaper than their price tags suggest. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 is going to destroy those low expectations the moment you open the door. Step inside and you'll experience genuine confusion. Did you accidentally walk into a premium crossover wearing a $10,000 higher price tag? The dashboard presents clean, minimalist lines that wouldn't look out of place in an Audi showroom, while surfaces are wrapped in soft materials that compress gently under pressure. But materials alone don't create luxury. Therefore, Mazda focused on details that separate premium from pretender. The stitching is precise, almost surgical in execution, while different textures play off each other with matte finishes adjacent to genuine metal trim pieces. Compare this to a Honda HR-V or Kia Seltos, and the difference is going to feel almost insulting to those competitors. And that premium cabin is impressive, but it's pointless if the engine can't deliver, which brings us to what's under the hood. Number 3. Capable powertrain options. There's this moment every subcompact crossover owner dreads. You're trying to merge onto a busy highway. Your right foot is buried in the carpet, and the engine is screaming while acceleration happens at a pace that could generously be described as eventual. Traffic is closing fast, and you're questioning every decision that led you to this underpowered nightmare. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 rewrites that narrative. The base 2.5-liter four-cylinder churns out 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. When you stab the throttle, the engine is going to respond immediately with zero lag, pulling you up to speed with authority. 0 to 60 happens in around 8.5 seconds, which translates to confident passing power. But Mazda understood that some drivers live for acceleration, therefore they're offering an optional turbocharged version. This boosted variant pumps out 250 horsepower and a genuinely shocking 320 pound-feet of torque. That torque means low-end grunt that shoves you back into the seat, transforming routine acceleration into something that brings a smile to your face. The result? 60 miles per hour in about 6.5 seconds, which means sports car urgency when you need it. So the powertrains are impressive, but performance means nothing if the chassis can't deliver, which is where the CX-30's next strength comes in. Number 2. Athletic handling. Picture yourself navigating a winding road or tight freeway on-ramp. Most subcompact crossovers respond with vague, disconnected feedback. The wheel turns, but you're never sure what the tires are doing. The vehicle leans heavily, and you find yourself slowing down because it feels sketchy. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 transforms that experience. Turn the steering wheel, and you're immediately going to feel feedback telegraphing through the rim. You'll know exactly what the front tires are doing, giving you precision rather than fear. But precise steering is useless if the chassis can't back it up. Therefore, Mazda engineered a suspension that keeps the body remarkably flat through corners. Where competitors roll heavily, the CX-30 maintains composure that's going to feel shockingly stable. The all-wheel drive system shuffles power seamlessly, maintaining grip where front-drive competitors would be scrubbing speed. Compare this to a Toyota Corolla Cross or Nissan Kicks, and those vehicles are going to feel like appliances. And that driving experience is thrilling, but wait until you see how much technology Mazda is including as standard. Number 1. Lots of standard features. Even the entry-level model arrives with an 8.8-inch infotainment display including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means seamless smartphone connectivity. But basic infotainment is just the entry point. Therefore, Mazda loaded the CX-30 with safety technology. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, and lane keep assist all come standard. Not reserved for premium trims, but included in the base price. Dual-zone automatic climate control, LED headlights, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and keyless entry round out the package. Higher trims bring luxury territory technology like head-up display, 12-speaker Bose audio, and adaptive cruise control. To match the CX-30's standard equipment in a Honda HR-V or Kia Seltos, you're going to need to climb trim levels, spending thousands more. So the CX-30 delivers impressive quality, strong performance, athletic handling, and generous features. Sounds perfect, right? But Mazda's pursuit of driving excellence created serious compromises. Let's expose the fatal flaws. Number 3, firm ride. Remember how we praised that athletic handling? Well, here's the painful reality. Those qualities come at a direct cost to ride comfort. Imagine commuting on typical city streets, the kind of broken, pock-marked pavement with expansion joints, patched potholes, and cracked asphalt. Most crossovers with softer suspensions are going to float over those imperfections, absorbing impacts and keeping the cabin isolated. But the CX-30 prioritized handling precision. Therefore, Mazda engineered firmer damping and less vertical travel. What that means, every expansion joint is going to thump through the chassis with a sharp jolt, every pothole edge creates a jarring impact, and rough pavement generates constant shimmy. Most drivers are going to spend majority time on deteriorating streets where the firm setup becomes a liability. Highway expansion joints create noticeable thumps, while speed bumps demand careful approach angles to avoid bone-jarring impacts. Compare this to a Honda HR-V or Subaru Crosstrek, and those competitors are going to feel like they're riding on clouds. So the firm ride is going to test your tolerance, but wait until your passengers try squeezing into the back seats. Number 2, tight rear seats. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 turns routine situations into uncomfortable ordeals. Adults attempting to occupy the back seats are going to find themselves cramped into positions that feel more like punishment, because Mazda's styling priorities created rear seat packaging that borders on unacceptable. With just 33.5 inches of rear legroom, passengers of average height are going to find their knees pressed hard against the front seat backs. Taller individuals are going to be folded into genuinely painful positions, their knees jammed against unyielding plastic. But limited legroom is just the opening act. Therefore, headroom becomes the next source of misery. Adults over 6 feet tall are going to have their hair brushing the headliner, creating a claustrophobic sensation. The seat cushions compound the misery with limited thigh support and shallow padding. Compare these rear seats to a Kia Seltos or Hyundai Venue, and those competitors are going to offer noticeably more space. And if cramped passengers weren't enough, the CX-30's biggest flaw is going to reveal itself every time you try to see what's around you. Number 1, poor visibility. Here's a situation every driver faces multiple times daily. You're sitting at an intersection preparing to turn left across traffic, watching for a gap that's safe to use. In a vehicle with good visibility, you can see approaching traffic clearly. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 is going to turn that routine maneuver into an exercise in uncertainty. Thick A-pillars obstruct your forward quarter view, creating blind zones that can completely hide pedestrians, cyclists, or even entire cars. You'll find yourself leaning forward, craning your neck, bobbing your head around the pillar trying to see what's lurking in those blind spots. But forward visibility issues are just the appetizer, therefore rearward sightlines become the main course of frustration. The small rear window and thick C-pillars create massive blind spots that are going to hide entire vehicles when you're merging or changing lanes. You'll check your mirror, think the lane is clear, start moving over, and suddenly a car appears seemingly out of nowhere. The worst visibility challenges reveal themselves when you're reversing in busy parking lots. The rear window is positioned high and sized small, providing minimal direct visibility. You literally cannot see the area directly behind your bumper. The backup camera becomes essential rather than convenient, transforming from helpful technology into mandatory equipment. Parking in tight spaces becomes a time-consuming exercise in careful maneuvering. Compare the visibility to a Subaru Crosstrek or Honda HR-V, and the CX-30's limitations become glaringly obvious. So there you have it. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 refuses to compromise on cabin luxury, powertrain performance, handling precision, and standard equipment, delivering a premium driving experience that makes you feel like you outsmarted the segment. But those achievements come with real costs: a firm ride that transmits every road imperfection, rear seats so tight that adult passengers are going to feel cramped, and visibility so compromised that routine maneuvers become exercises in uncertainty. If you're a solo driver who values driving engagement, the CX-30 is going to feel like the deal of the century. But if you regularly carry passengers or prefer confident sightlines, those fatal flaws are going to overshadow the impressive strengths. Therefore, make sure to check out the alternatives. If you're looking for something that's not just capable but also very practical, then you definitely must check out our video about the 2026 Chevrolet Trax. Practical, well-built, and pretty stylish, the small SUV could be a perfect alternative if sporty handling doesn't play an important role in your book.